Well, we got a President Lincoln 2 on the bench. No power. I heard something rolling around. Got a little ferrite bead with a wire running through it. I was just rolling around in there. I don't recognize that. Goes back here into the final stage. Without it, it won't put out power. Now I just got to figure out exactly where it came from, put it back, and see if we got juice, man. I mean, wattage. Catch me later. Psychotech Labs signing off. Okay. So the mystery of where did this missing part come from? So got your power out. So one of the things I always test first is right there, the middle pin of the finals and the middle pin of the drivers. There should be voltage there, and in this case there wasn't. So we backtrack up here to the AM regulator circuit that controls the voltage going to the finals and driver, and we got no voltage in or out. So I flip it back, look at the other side of the board, and we've seen like the little symbol for that, and that part is missing. So we're going to put that part back. That'll resupply the voltage going to the voltage regulator, and then we should be supplying the finals and drivers with voltage, and this thing should be alive again. So let's clean out those little holes, put the part back in, test it out. Catch me in a minute. Okay, I had to salvage another one of those out of another radio. That one was broken, and it was broken inside too. So I replaced it with another one. Now we got voltage going all the way up to here, but I do not have voltage going into the finals yet, so we still don't have transmit, but we got it to there. So now we got to trace out where we're losing our voltage from there to where that goes into the final and driver. So let's get on doing that, shall we? Okay, so we got another one. Same thing. It's burned kind of inside the ferrite bead. So that's why it's not getting voltage to the finals. So we're going to have to scrounge up another one and replace that one. Hopefully the finals aren't dead shorted or something, and that's what caused it. But I've seen this weird stuff happen before with these and other radios. So let's get to replacing that, and then we'll, at that point, we should have voltage actually going into the finals. So catch me in a minute. Alright, so it looks like we got a shorted final. I got juice going to it, and yeah, I started seeing a little smoke. That final there was getting hot. So damn it, man. So much for it to being a semi-easy fix. Catch me later. We'll be back when we got some parts for it. Alright, we replaced the finals, and we have wattage out. We have actually too much wattage out, and we have full 14 volts going to the final and driver, which we don't want. So I took some voltage readings here at the AM regulator, and I suspect the AM regulator is shorted out, which wouldn't surprise me. Yeah, it turned out one of the finals was shorted. That's what caused all this other damage that I repaired. So I might have a voltage regulator in stock. I think I do. So we'll throw a fresh AM regulator transistor in there and see if we get reduced voltage. Yeah, we want, I don't know, 5 voltage, 5 volts-ish, something like that, going into the final. We don't want a full 14 like we got. Also, not really hearing any audio, which is another symptom if that shorts out. So let's see if we got a replacement for it. I'll be right back. Okay, so that AM regulator was shorted, so we're going to put in one of these Palomar Max mods. It's beefier, it's heavy duty, it'll run cooler. All we got to do is just juice it up with some silicone, solder it in, and we're done. Hopefully. Catch me in a bit. Okay, the Max Power mod usually is not a direct replacement. You have to drill a hole a little higher than the factory hole because it's physically bigger than what came out of there. Yeah. So anyway, we got it mounted, we got it soldered in. Let's power it up and let's see if everything works right now. Wish me luck. Okay, we're audio, putting out the right amount of power now, and as you can see now when I modulate, the meter swings forward. So if you ever put out full power, no mod, you'll know your AM regulator is probably shorted. Well, that concludes this little project. A lot of damage was done. A lot of work. We replaced both finals. We've replaced the AM regulator. We had to replace two jumpers that had the ferrite beads on them because they were blown. That's it. We're going to wrap this up, put the screws back on it, and he's coming tomorrow to pick up his baby. Psychotech Labs saying thanks for watching my videos, everybody. This project's a wrap. See ya.